What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jalea. I know I've been gone for about almost 3 months. First video was posted in January of me unboxing my drone that I got for Christmas, but you know, things happen. Last week I was sick. I was supposed to make some videos last week, but that didn't fall through. I went out of town and everything else, and I had ample amount of time to film videos for you guys. But now I'm gonna do it now. I really wanted to film a lot of videos this year because I didn't make as many as I did last year. But now we're gonna start out with every favorite YouTuber's tech or camera YouTuber's favorite video or what's in my camera bag. Let's get started. So right here I have the Brevity jumper. I got this when it was on sale, I believe before Christmas or after Christmas. I wanted to get a dedicated camera bag because now I do have a lot of camera gear, but I am going to change the angle. Well, never mind, I'm not going to change the angle because I want to show you guys all the pockets and stuff. But right now I'm using my MePhoto tripod that I had a long time ago when I was using my phone and my GoPro and stuff like that. It's a taller tripod, and then I'm using my Canon EOS M100. I'll make a review about this camera, I think 2 years later or something like that. That'll be in a later video. And I'm just using the kit lens, the 15 to 45. So that's this setup. But now I'm going to show you everything that is in this bag. Some of this stuff varies. I will not take all of this unless I really have to. You know, shooting, taking pictures, all that. But we're just gonna start with the laptop pocket. Well, back here you have this little trolley system so you can put it on the suitcase. I did that when I went to Texas. The straps, they're kind of thin. They kind of like dig in right here. And then you have one of those like secret compartments. I don't know if it's really secret, if everybody knows about it, but it's on your back. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's on your back, so you can put like a phone, a passport, a wallet, cash. And then you have tripod straps at the bottom to fit like a bigger tripod, a jacket, a sleeping bag, anything like that. But my one gripe with this bag is that they are very hard to open and close. Don't know why. Hope they improve on that in the second version. And then right here you can also put a tripod or a water bottle. I have my Manfrotto Pixie tripod with a plate on it. Don't know if y'all can see that. With a plate on it, so I can easily put my camera from this tripod to this tripod and vlog. But I am looking to upgrade this. This would be a secondary one. The one that I'm looking at is the Shure 3T 5X or something like that. It got a weird name. So I can be able to extend it how I do my bigger tripod. But starting from the back, we have a laptop pocket. I can fit my 13-inch MacBook Pro. I believe it can fit, I want to say the 15-inch, but I think it can fit the 16-inch MacBook Pro. There is no tablet pocket. It's only a laptop pocket. And then we're going to go through this pocket right here. It's one big pocket, and then it's a smaller pocket on the inside. I'll show you that. It's one big pocket, and then you have like a zipper right here. I don't think I have nothing in there. But right here I have my camera cleaning kit. I have my GoPro with the 3-way mount, just in case I want to vlog on my GoPro and I'm like taking pictures or anything with my camera. This is a good grip. I have the Hero 5 Black. I probably won't get another GoPro until like the 10 Black comes out. And then I have a mask because we live in COVID times. And that's it. That's all that's in there. And then we're gonna go to this front pocket right here. I'm gonna put it like this. This front pocket, I have my rubber bands because I have braces. My AirPod Pros. I really like these headphones. They really have good noise canceling. And they're like compact. have chapstick because I don't like to have chapped lips. And there's a pen and a pencil. That's one big pocket. I don't know if I'm finna show you guys. It's one big pocket in the middle, and then it's 4 different sections. So in the first section, I have my Western Digital hard drive. In the second section, I have my laptop charging cable. The third one, I just have this USB that has an Apple Watch charger, a lightning for my phone, USB-C for my battery pack, and micro USB for my drone. So I have like one cable for everything, and then I have another cable for my laptop. And then this is the Logitech MX Anywhere Mouse 3. I got this because I can use it at home and put it in my camera bag. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in here. And we're going to move on to the next section. And in this next section is where the camera cube is. I'll do some B-roll so you guys can see how I configured it. But I'm going to show you on this side right here, opposite from the water bottle side. That's where like you'll put your camera if you want quick access. My camera is not big enough for me to just put it right there and it won't move around. So I just put it in a smaller spot. So first things first is my camera strap. I have a off-brand Peak Design camera strap. I have a RAV Power 20,000 milliamp power bank. I can use this. It's a 60 watt power bank, so I can use this to charge my laptop if I really need it to, if I'm not close to an outlet. But it does good charging my phone and camera batteries and stuff. I have this dual battery charger that I got for Christmas. You can use it with a USB-A, you can plug it in, or a USB-C and micro USB. I use the USB-C and the micro USB so I can charge it faster. And it came with 2 batteries and this dual charger. I really like it. The next thing is my DJI Mavic Mini batteries. I got the Flymore combo, so it came with the hub with 2 extra batteries, and then there's one in the drone. Now we're gonna get to that. Right here, oops, push it up. Right here I have the controller for the drone, and then I have the drone. This is my little baby right here, you guys. I got these little things to cover the propellers, so when it's in the bag they don't break, but I think I put them on wrong. And it came with landing gear. I'm going to try to link some of this stuff down below. And it's an open section right here where this camera lens was. This is where I will put my camera because it fits best. This camera lens is a 22mm camera lens, so it's equivalent to, I believe, a 35mm on a regular full-frame camera. And then next I have is a smaller battery charger before I got the dual battery charger. So I can use micro USB cable that I showed you guys and charge this from a power bank or plug it into the wall. Lens and body caps. A hack to show you guys if you don't have what I'm about to show you next. You can put like your SD cards or something small in here. And then next I have my RAV Power 65 watt charger. Is smaller than my MacBook charger, so I don't have to bring around a lot of wall bricks. It has a USB-C and a USB-A, so I can use it with the cables I showed you guys. And then last but not least, I believe, last but not least, I have this battery holder. So in total, I believe I have 6 batteries. There's one in the camera, and right here I have a backup. If I gotta like show some pictures or anything is USB-C to USB-A. I have a Lightning SD card reader and a USB-C card reader, and as you guys can see, you can hold SD cards, micro SD cards, and CFX express cards, and then 3 battery slots or anything like that. So that is everything that is in my camera bag. Like I said, most of this stuff I'll try to link down below if it's still available on Amazon. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All of this will not come with me. I know it's a little bit excessive. I know a lot of people have more like camera stuff than I do. Later on, I'll try to upgrade the lens. But like I said, I'll talk about this camera in my next video. So I want to make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Jalea. I'm out. Peace.